All right, Mr. Harris. Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
All right, Mr. Harris. Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Good. First, check your mirrors.
Left mirror, right mirror, rear view mirror.
Good. First, check your mirrors.
Left mirror, right mirror, rear view mirror.
Great. Now, foot on brake.
Brake pressed.
Great. Now, foot on brake.
Brake pressed.
Now slowly shift to drive.
Like this?
Now slowly shift to drive.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now release the brake, gently.
It's moving.
Yes, perfect. Now release the brake, gently.
It's moving.
That's good. Nice and slow.
Feels strange after all these years.
That's good. Nice and slow.
Feels strange after all these years.
You're doing fine. Stay calm.
Hands tight.
You're doing fine. Stay calm.
Hands tight.
A little relaxed. Not too stiff.
Okay, relaxing.
A little relaxed. Not too stiff.
Okay, relaxing.
Now, ease onto the gas. Very light.
Like this?
Now, ease onto the gas. Very light.
Like this?
Exactly. You got it.
We're rolling.
Exactly. You got it.
We're rolling.
Yes, you are.
I feel nervous.
Yes, you are.
I feel nervous.
Totally normal. Breathe.
All right.
Totally normal. Breathe.
All right.
Now, let's steer a little right.
Turning now.
Now, let's steer a little right.
Turning now.
Nice. Keep it gentle.
I'm trying.
Nice. Keep it gentle.
I'm trying.
Doing good. Watch the road ahead.
Eyes forward.
Doing good. Watch the road ahead.
Eyes forward.
Good job. Now, slow down a little.
Brake now.
Good job. Now, slow down a little.
Brake now.
Yes. Light tap.
Like that?
Yes. Light tap.
Like that?
Perfect.
I'm sweating.
Perfect.
I'm sweating.
That's part of learning.
How fast am I?
That's part of learning.
How fast am I?
About 15 miles per hour. Perfect speed.
Feels like 50.
About 15 miles per hour. Perfect speed.
Feels like 50.
It always feels faster at first.
What next?
It always feels faster at first.
What next?
Let's practice a full stop.
At that sign?
Let's practice a full stop.
At that sign?
Yes. The stop sign ahead.
All right.
Yes. The stop sign ahead.
All right.
Start slowing down, now. Start slowing down, now. Beautiful stop.
Ha. I did it.
Beautiful stop.
Ha. I did it.
You sure did.
Now what?
You sure did.
Now what?
We turn right after stopping.
Signal first.
We turn right after stopping.
Signal first.
Yes. Good memory. Yes. Good memory. Now check mirrors again.
Checked.
Now check mirrors again.
Checked.
Okay, turn the wheel slowly. Okay, turn the wheel slowly. Perfect turn.
I feel better now.
Perfect turn.
I feel better now.
I can tell. You're getting it.
How often should I practice?
I can tell. You're getting it.
How often should I practice?
Maybe 3 times a week.
I can do that.
Maybe 3 times a week.
I can do that.
Little by little. No rush.
Thanks for being patient.
Little by little. No rush.
Thanks for being patient.
Of course. You're doing great.
Where now?
Of course. You're doing great.
Where now?
Let's head back to the parking lot.
Okay. Straight ahead?
Let's head back to the parking lot.
Okay. Straight ahead?
Yes, and keep it slow.
Got it.
Yes, and keep it slow.
Got it.
Brake a little as we approach. Brake a little as we approach. Now turn left into the lot.
Turning left.
Now turn left into the lot.
Turning left.
Easy, easy, there you go.
Almost there.
Easy, easy, there you go.
Almost there.
Park anywhere you like.
Here good?
Park anywhere you like.
Here good?
Perfect spot.
Now brake fully?
Perfect spot.
Now brake fully?
Yes. Then shift to park.
Done.
Yes. Then shift to park.
Done.
And turn off the engine.
Phew.
And turn off the engine.
Phew.
How do you feel?
Proud and tired.
How do you feel?
Proud and tired.
You should be proud. First drive done.
Thanks, Tom. Couldn't have done it alone.
You should be proud. First drive done.
Thanks, Tom. Couldn't have done it alone.
Anytime, Mr. Harris. Same time tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Anytime, Mr. Harris. Same time tomorrow?
Absolutely.